I want to talk about this portable first aid kit. This was a gift from my brother. See right there, sharp looking case. It's got the MOLLE on the front. Right here in this pack, you've got a little bit of literature. Kind of breaks down what's inside. It gives you some, CPR instructions, stuff like that. And really impressed with this. It's portable for one. You can carry it around with you. You can put it in your car. You can leave it in your house. It's going to be great for camping, hiking, anything like that. Lightweight, so easy to move around. Taking a look inside, I'm really surprised at how much this thing can hold. This holds 450 different pieces of medical hardware, or first aid hardware, should I say. It's got a ton of Band-Aids. It's got everything from tongue depressors, gloves, scissors. There's even a little compass in there, which is good if you're hiking and you get yourself lost and you don't have a compass. That's going to be really handy. But you can see there's a ton of room in here. So who is this going to be good for? Anyone, honestly. You can keep this in your vehicle. Like I said, you can take it camping, or you can just keep it inside of your house. Right now, my first aid kit is comprised of SpongeBob Band-Aids from about a decade ago. So this is going to come in extremely handy for me. If you'd like to pick up one for yourself, click on the link in the description below.